We are looking at the first song we learned to play that only uses 3 fingers, blue 1, red 2, and green 3. Since we are looking at the real music notes, we have to be careful to play on the correct set of keys. That first note, middle C, sounds like this. So make sure you find the correct set of 2 black keys on your piano or keyboard. If you don't have a piano or keyboard, just sit down and put your hand on your upper leg and push down a little bit with each proper finger so you feel it on your leg as you watch this video. There are also colored dashes under each note reminding you which finger to use. All the notes are quarter notes except for that last note, which we learned was called a whole note. When you play that key, you have to hold down the piano key as long as it would take you to play 4 of those quarter notes. That's why it has 4 dashes under the note, for a reminder. We are going to play this song together, so I'll show you how we are going to do it. First, you will hear 4 ding sounds in a row. So you will know when to start and how fast we are going to play the song. Then with each note, you will see an arrow pointing to a note with a ding sound. When the next ding sounds, you will hear me playing that proper note and also see the key on the drawing go down into playing position. I'll show you how that first note is played now. Just watch. We heard the 4 ding sounds, then saw the arrow with the ding sound, and the key played with the next ding sound. I will not be talking during the song. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, played the whole little song. Here's our notes and keyboard again. Our notes don't have little dashes under them this time, and our C, D, and E keys are marked, and the fingers we are supposed to use on those keys are written under the letters. This time we are not going to see arrows, just little pointer V's. We are going to play the whole song very evenly. See the V, play the proper key for that note. You will hear 4 dings, so you will know how fast we are going to play the notes. Then start the song when you hear the next ding and see the pointer V. I'll show you the first 2 notes. Just watch. Ready to follow the pointer V's? Remember, 4 dings. Then begin the song on the next ding. Okay, now I want you to play this song again very evenly, but sing or say the words as you play. You will hear your 4 dings again, then start. Going up and coming down is something I can do. This song should feel really easy for your fingers, but do play and sing it a lot so your fingers move through the song and you don't even have to think about what finger plays next. And always use the correct fingers. Remember, muscle memory. Bye.